Today's topic is about sulfuric acid. We will be discussing about the important points of the sulfuric acid. That is, the most important is the contact process. In this process, we will be trying to understand the manufacture of sulfuric acid. Before that, you can see that sulfuric acid is further also known as oil of vitriol. It was prepared from green vitriol. It was prepared from green vitriol. So FeSO4, which is known as green vitriol, was led to the formation of sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid occur in free and in combined state. Various methods of preparation of sulfuric acid are there. The most important is with sulfur. Sulfur react with nitric acid to give NO2, water and H2SO4. NO2, water and H2SO4. The other method of preparation of sulfuric acid is by passing of chlorine through SO2 and water. SO3 and water react to give sulfuric acid. Sulfuryl chloride and water gives sulfuric acid and HCl. Sulfuryl chloride and water gives sulfuric acid and HCl. So this is about the preparation of sulfuric acid. Further, in this, the most important one is manufacture of sulfuric acid, that is the contact process. In this manufacture of sulfuric acid, there are various parts: production of SO2, purification unit, catalytic oxidation, absorption, dilution of oleum. So, for understanding this process, we will be moving by step. One is step 1, that is chamber conversion. First step is the chamber conversion. Here sulfur or pyrite is burned to produce SO2 and Fe2O3. SO2 and Fe2O3. In the second step, there is contact tower, where catalytic oxidation take place, in which SO2 is converted to SO3 with the help of V2O5, that is vanadium pentaoxide. Temperature and pressure are maintained. Catalyst used is V2O5 or platinum. This is the most important question. In the board, it has been asked several times, which is the catalyst used in contact process. The answer is vanadium pentaoxide, that is V2O5 or platinum. Second is the absorption tower. After formation of SO3, further some amount of sulfuric acid is passed and formation of oleum. So the formula of oleum is important, that is H2H2O7. H2H2O7. So oleum is further converted to sulfuric acid. This is the method of preparation of sulfuric acid by contact process. So you can see the product which has been here summarized, that is SO2, SO3, oleum and then sulfuric acid So all the 4 steps are important. Last is the purification unit. This is the purification unit where impurities are removed. So In the contact process you have to remember all the steps. So you can write down the board question. What is contact process? What is contact process? What is the catalyst used? Give the reaction involved in contact tower. Give the reaction involved in contact tower. Second question you can note down. Give one method of preparation of sulfuric acid. Give one method of preparation of sulfuric acid. Give one method of preparation of sulfuric acid. Last question. Give the method of preparation of sulfuric acid from oleum and green vitriol So the reactions should be given. I have given you the board questions. These are the most important questions. Now you can see here in the purification unit what could be the impurities. Impurities present is arsenious oxide. The impurity present is arsenious oxide. So the arsenious oxide is removed, because if it is not removed, its efficiency of production of sulfuric acid will be reduced. Its efficiency to produce sulfuric acid will be reduced. So there are method also given for the removal of impurities, that is dusting and scrubbing. So in the next video we will be discussing about properties of sulfuric acid.